Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna, and today I am showing y'all my super simple 3-step skincare routine for winter 2021. And of course I start off by washing my hands first, but I'm using my turmeric bar soap to wash my face. And turmeric has always been known to brighten your skin and fade dark marks. So I'm just using this, and I also let it sit for a minute just to make sure that I'm letting it get into my pores. I always like to keep my skincare routines, my hygiene routines, and everything as simple as possible because I don't really want to be buying a whole lot of products all the time, and it takes a lot of time to do all of these different steps for all of these different things. So I try to keep everything as simple as possible. I let it sit probably for about a minute. And then I'm rinsing off my face with some cold water to tighten my pores. You always want to make sure that you are patting your face and your skin dry with a clean towel. Next, I'm using witch hazel with rose water as a toner. This is also good for oily skin. I have oily skin. And I'm patting the product in instead of just rubbing it in. I'm making sure that it really gets into my pores. And this would probably even work better if I kept it in the refrigerator. And lastly, I'm going to be using my sweet almond oil as a lightweight moisturizer. Anytime you wash your face, you always want to make sure you use some type of moisturizer, because if you don't, your skin will try to overcompensate for that dryness, and that's how you end up with extra oily skin. And that's all for my super simple skincare routine. Let me know the products that you guys use and if you are overcomplicated or not. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.